Nakakatawa naman yan. God prepared you to be president, pero He didn't prepare you with intelligence. He prepared you for the presidency, but He didn't prepare you because you caused chaos. If He prepared you for the presidency, then He should have given you capacity too. He should have made sure that you did not cause this shit show that the Philippines is going through now. God did not cause the demise of the Uniteam. You did. God did not put your father in the ICC. You did. How can God want you to fight against the corrupt when you yourself have allegations of corruption? How did you become a creature of God when you yourself have supporters that are the devil's spawn? Paano ka prepare for the presidency kung ikaw lang naman ang gumagawa ng mga bagay na magpapahirap sa buhay mo? Kasi dapat presidente ang kailangan ng Pilipinas, hindi vigilante. So hindi ka gawa ng Diyos. Gawa-gawa ka lang ng pagkadilulo mo.